We all have incredible ideas swirling around in our heads. But how do we capture them? How do we turn them into actionable plans and finally bring them to life? Well, grab a notebook and a tea, because I'm about to show you exactly step by step how to do so. First up, journaling. This is your sacred space. Think of it as a mental detox. Set a timer for 5 to 10 minutes and just let your thoughts flow. Don't worry about grammar or structure. Just dump everything out. You'll be surprised what will emerge from the chaos. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about expression. This simple daily practice helps you clear your mind and opens the door to creativity. Now that we've dumped our thoughts, it's time to extract the gems. Grab some sticky notes and rewrite key ideas from your journal entries. Each note represents a unique thought or potential idea. Stick them on a wall and group similar ones together. This creates a visual map of ideas. It's a fun, dynamic way to see connections and themes that might spark something bigger. Next, we're moving into the scripting phase. This is where an application like Notion or Apple Notes really shines. Create separate pages for each idea you want to explore. Lay out the idea clearly, breaking it down into bullet points or prompts. Imagine you want to make a video about a favorite hobby. What topics would fit? What stories do you want to tell? This method allows your thoughts to evolve into concrete plans. We're almost there. Now comes pre-production. It's time to prepare your ideas for execution. Make checklists. What do you need? Who will help you? This is your blueprint, your roadmap to follow. Visualize the outcome. What will the final product look like? This step injects action into your ideas and brings a sense of clarity. So there you have it. From journaling to sticky notes to scripting. You are now equipped to turn those wild thoughts into reality. Remember, action is the key. Start small and allow your creativity to flow. The world is waiting for your voice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more tips. I can't wait to hear about the amazing projects you'll bring to life. Until next time, keep creating and let your ideas shine.